Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on student loans with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SoFi website to get started on your journey to saving on student loans. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Input your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once registered, log into your account to access the dashboard. Select the Refinance Student Loans option to explore your options. Gather your current loan details, including total balance, interest rates, and monthly payments. Input this information into the online form provided by SoFi. Review the estimated savings that SoFi can offer you based on your inputs. Choose the loan repayment term that best suits your financial situation. Submit your application for refinancing to begin the process. Wait for SoFi to review your application and provide you with an official loan offer. Carefully read through the terms and conditions of the offer provided. If you accept the offer, follow the instructions to finalize your new loan agreement. Once approved, your old loans will be paid off, and you will begin making payments on your new loan. Monitor your account regularly through the SoFi dashboard to track your savings and repayment progress. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees and potentially earn a discount on your interest rate. Take advantage of SoFi's financial resources and tools to educate yourself about managing your student loans effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.